piano string songs. That song is Simple Man. So let's go back to the summer of 1964, Jacksonville, Florida. That's when and where founding members Ronnie Van Zant, Gary Rosington, and Bob Burns met as teenagers. They were playing on rival baseball teams when they discovered that they all had a common desire to play music. They put together an impromptu jam session in the carport of the Burns family home. That performance inspired them to form a band. Now, Van Zant would take vocals, Rosington guitar, and Burns drums. From there, the lineup would grow and, of course, evolve over the years. Alan Collins on guitar and Larry Jungstrom on bass. They were the next to join. This young band would go through a lot of different names trying to find the right one. At different points, they called themselves My Backyard, the Noble Five, Wildcats, and at one time the 1%. But in 1970, the group started calling itself Leonard Skinner, which was something of a backhanded compliment to the group's former gym teacher, a guy named Leonard Skinner. Of course, an oft-told story in rock and roll. While the boys were attending Robert E. Lee High School, Skinner had a strict no long hair on boys policy. They never forgot it.
Notice the female birds have a very brown complexion entirely. The male birds are the shiny ones with the iridescence on the top side of the wing. These are called Tailed Grackles. They are a native bird to the Everglades. Incredibly intelligent, fun to watch. And if you teach them something, they will remember it, almost no matter what. They got all their friends coming in now. See how brave they get. If they'll come on over the top of this hill or not. Yep, they'll come all the way up to the car now. I'm surprised if they don't land on the car. to finish those little scraps and then they'll come back. In the meantime, we'll be shutting off. Thank you for watching. Have a great day here on the north side of Lake Okeechobee.